Welcome to my channel. Easy Wavlink Repeater login default IP and password explained. 1. Power on the Wavlink Repeater. Plug your Wavlink Wi-Fi repeater into a power socket and wait until the power light turns solid. 2. Connect to Wavlink Wi-Fi on your mobile or laptop. Connect to the Wi-Fi network named Wavlink_N or Wavlink_X. 3. Open login page. Open any web browser, Chrome, Edge, Safari, and type http://192.168.10.1 or http://wifi.wavlink.com. Press enter. 4. Enter default login details. Use these default credentials: username, admin; password, admin. If it doesn't work, try leaving the password blank. 5. Start setup. Click Login, select Repeater mode, choose your main Wi-Fi network, enter its password, and click Save. 6. Reconnect devices. Wait 2 to 3 minutes. Connect your device to the new extended Wi-Fi network. Default Wavlink login details. Default IP, 192.168.10.1. Login URL, wifi.wavlink.com. Username, admin. Password, admin. If login page not opening, reset the repeater, press reset for 10 seconds, reconnect to Wavlink Wi-Fi. Try another browser. Thanks for watching.